Hey y'all. So in this video, I want to share with you how to use a Facebook banner or cover photo that says click here to order. So as you can see right here, it says the graphics that I've been creating for us for our banners say click here to order. So we want to make our ordering link as easy as possible for our customers to be able to order from us. So if we post or if we upload a Facebook banner cover photo like this that says click here to order and then they click here to order, but there's no link. So we need to make sure that we put our ordering link in the description of this picture. So when they click on the picture in your group, then it's going to take them to the expanded form of this picture, and then it has a place for you to edit your caption right here. Well, we're going to add a description here. We're going to add our shopping link. So you can just put Andrea's Mystery, if I can spell right. I always suggest having a mystery hostess link open so they can order. So we're going to put our link in this order. So we're going to go to 31today.com. You go to your virtual office and then parties. And so then it brings you to this screen. So I'm going to go to Andrea's Outlet Mystery Hostess. So I'm under the About section under Party Information. I'm going to scroll down and here is my party link. I'm going to copy and paste this link. I'm going to go back to Facebook and I'm going to put my link right here. Done editing. There. Okay, so now I'm going to X out of this picture. We're going to try and make sure and see if my link is here. Click here. Boom, there's my link. So we want to make sure if we are using a cover graphic like this that says click here to order, you have to put go in and edit the description and put your party link in there. So, and I highly suggest also making your ordering link a pinned post in your Facebook groups for your parties and your customer group. So we want them to have your link at their fingertips. If it's not there at their fingertips, they're not going to go searching for it and then they're not going to order. So anyways, I hope you found this video helpful.